In this video, I'll show you how to add Alpha Network to Trust Wallet. First, here's the key thing. Trust Wallet lets you add custom EVM networks manually, but you need the correct official network details first, like the network name, RPCURL, chain ID, symbol, and optional block explorer. Trust Wallet's current guide says custom networks are added from the wallet's asset management screen, and it also recommends using trusted sources for the RPC details. To do it, open Trust Wallet on mobile, tap the Manage Assets icon, then tap the plus button. After that, switch from the Token tab to the Network tab. Enter the Alpha Network details carefully, then tap Save. If the information is correct, the network will be added to your wallet. Trust Wallet also notes that if a chain is not yet verified in its asset repository, the icon or price data may not show right away. Now, if Alpha is actually a token and not a full network, then you need to add the network first, and after that, add the token separately. Trust Wallet's support page says custom tokens are added by choosing the correct network and then pasting the token's contract address. So the simple process is get the official Alpha Network details, add it under the Network tab in Trust Wallet, and if needed, add the Alpha token after that using its contract address. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.